Coming back to how to have a bulletproof immune system and solve allergies. This is part 3, and this is to move. So exercise mobilizes immune cells and enhances immune surveillance, especially what are called the natural killer cells and the T cells of your immune system. This is like the secret service of your immune system. The more you move, the more agents you have on duty, and the more trained and equipped they are to defend you. Movement also stimulates lymphatic drainage, which is your lymph system is like the body's sewage system, which has no pump on its own, so it relies on movement to get the sewage and the junk out of your body. Even light activity like walking can be profoundly detoxifying and immune boosting. The movement pumps lymph, boosts circulation, and activates immune cells. It doesn't have to be intense. The most important thing is that it's consistent. So walking, stretching, or strength training for 20 to 30 minutes daily is shown in science to improve circulation, improve the oxygenation of all of your cells, and improve your immune system readiness. So again, doesn't have to be crazy intense, just has to be consistent, and you can variety of things. Now, think of detoxification as the body's maintenance program. If toxins accumulate, your immune system gets bogged down cleaning your internal environment instead of protecting your body. And it makes it susceptible to overreacting when it does, because it's responding late to the distraction that's caused by the toxin. So think about it like RAM on your computer. The more unnecessary junk that you have saved on your computer, the slower it's going to run, and the more susceptible it's going to become to crashing. So liver, kidneys, gut, lungs, and skin are your big detox channels. When they're overburdened, this is when now inflammation rises and the immune response becomes improperly regulated, either overreacting or underreacting. Both are bad in different situations. So for your body to use its natural systems to clear out toxins, our natural built-in detox system, a couple easy things you want to be doing. So hydrate every day. So drink clean water, half your body in ounces. So if you were to weigh 100 pounds for easy numbers, you would drink 50 ounces of water a day. Move your bowels daily to prevent toxin recirculation, because if the gut is unhealthy, usually you don't have good bowel movements, and then more toxins re-enter the body due to that prolonged storage and the leaky gut membrane, which likely accompany these circumstances. And then use sweating. This can either be through exercise, like a long hot bath, a sauna, to eliminate toxins through your skin. Now, the last piece of this is the nervous system. All life in your body flows from your brain, down your spinal cord, out your nerves to control every single cell, tissue, and organ in your body. That it is the lifeline of your body, and this is protected by your spine. In the proper position, when the spine's proper position, 100% of that life gets from your brain into your body. But when there is subluxation, when the spine is out of its normal alignment, you end up getting less than 100% from your brain into your body. And this is what's leading to dysfunction and problems. So think about your nervous system like the communication system between the Secret Service agents. So the better communication you have, it means for quicker and more accurate action. If the communication system goes down, or it's broken, it's interfered with, the agents are only getting pieces of the information, and they're not going to be able to do their job very well. And this is what's happening with your immune system. And so this is why proper and regular chiropractic care restores clarity to the system. And studies show that after an adjustment, that you have increased IgA or immunoglobulin A levels, like we talked about early in the videos. You have a better vagus nerve response, which again we talked about earlier. That's the body's rest, repair, and digest system, which allows the body to move into relaxation, lower inflammation and swelling, improved lymphatic flow after adjustment, and proper regulation of the immune system. So it's not just about responding too slow, but it's making you susceptible to infections or too aggressive when it's overreacting, and that's where you show up in allergies. So there you have it. This is how your immune system works, why people get allergies, and what the 5 steps are to a proper immune response, so you don't have to struggle with allergies and still have a robust immune system to protect you from the actual bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens so you can be healthy and not get sidelined with problems.